Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious milk-made caramel pudding. First, gather your ingredients: milk, sugar, and eggs. You'll also need a suitable mold for baking. The process involves making the caramel, preparing the custard, and then baking it gently. Finally, chilling is crucial for the perfect texture and flavor. Let's get started with the caramel. To begin, we'll create the caramel base. In a small saucepan, melt about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar over medium heat. Stir continuously until the sugar fully dissolves and transforms into a beautiful amber liquid. Be careful not to burn it. Once it reaches that rich color, immediately pour the hot caramel into your chosen pudding mold, swirling it to coat the bottom and a little up the sides. This forms the lovely top layer of your pudding. Next, let's prepare the creamy pudding mixture. In a bowl, whisk together 3 large eggs with another 1/2 cup of sugar until well combined and slightly frothy. In a separate saucepan, gently warm 2 cups of milk until it's hot but not boiling. Slowly pour the warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs and prevent scrambling. For an extra smooth pudding, strain this mixture through a fine mesh sieve. Now let's cook our pudding. Carefully pour the strained milk and egg mixture over the set caramel in your mold. Place the mold into a larger baking dish, then fill the larger dish with hot water, creating a water bath. Bake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 60 minutes or until just set. Once cooled, chill for at least 4 hours before inverting onto a plate. Enjoy your delicious caramel pudding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.